Good evening, Chestermere. Today is April 2nd. Today is a challenging day. It is a challenging day for the world as we now have surpassed the 1 million mark of confirmed cases across the globe. This is not just another country's illness. The COVID-19 virus is the world's, all of humanity's, fight against an enemy we cannot see with the naked eye. We cannot see it coming. We cannot fight back and conquer it. We cannot overpower it. All we can do is learn from it, understand and appreciate its power, and respect that if we ignore it or pretend that it doesn't exist and don't follow protocols to protect ourselves from it, more people will get sick and more people will die. This is the stark reality. And while scientists around the world are working around the clock to develop a vaccine, all of us must do our part to stay safe. In Alberta, who once had its first case less than a month ago, now have 968 confirmed cases of COVID-19, which is an increase of 96 new cases since yesterday. I'm saddened to learn that 13 Albertans have lost their lives to this virus. In Canada, we now have the 13th highest number of confirmed cases in the world, with over 10,000 cases. This frankly disturbs me. It also concerns me that we have surpassed countries like South Korea, one of the first countries to experience the outbreak and a large spike in cases. But South Korea acted quickly and now has strict measures in place, the world-class collaboration that our country and province can learn from. As your mayor, I will continue to push for enhanced coordination between all levels of government, including all relevant professionals representing various areas of expertise to help lead the world in COVID-19 containment and response. In our community, Chestermere has more cases, 4 more than yesterday. We now have 15 confirmed cases. Thank you to those of you who have called and emailed myself, our council members, and our hardworking emergency management team with your support of our collective efforts and telling us we are on the right path. Thank you for heeding your call for physical distancing and enhancing hygiene, and for reporting to our tip line those not following the rules and who perhaps aren't taking this seriously. I know that together we can contain and stop the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for being vigilant in the community and on a daily basis. We continue to receive very valuable reports from the public, and again a reminder that if you see anyone or any business not following the rules, please call 403-207-8143 to make a confidential report. Again, that is 403-207-8143. Each and every day, our RCMP, community peace officers, and safety officers are patrolling businesses and public areas to monitor for compliance of the mandatory sanitary measures and physical distancing practices. Our preference is to partner with the community to share information and educate you on what is expected, but where necessary, fines will be issued. Speaking of our partnership, I'd like to draw some attention to an ongoing concern that we are seeing with curbside waste collection. We ask that residents respect our environmental service operators. The work they are doing is important to ensure continuity of service during our state of local emergency. For the health and safety of our operators, please make sure that you are not overfilling your curbside bins. All items must fit inside the bins and the lid must close. We are seeing a number of residents placing additional bags of garbage beside their carts and expecting it to be collected. Our operators have been instructed not to handle any loose waste due to the risk of COVID-19 infection. Overfilled carts have been causing loose waste to be scattered in the tipping process. This creates a very dangerous situation where operators are required to clean up unknown waste material from the street. We're experiencing a 30% increase in curbside pickup volume, and our operators are working hard to be able to keep up with the pace. However, their routes are taking longer to complete due to the additional parked cars on the streets and frequent overfilling of the carts. We realize that these are difficult times for everyone, but let's work together, Chestermere. Please do not overfill your carts. Ensure that you're placing paper towels, tissues, gloves, and any other materials used for cleaning inside a sealed bag within your black garbage cart. I'll say again that our primary goal is to partner with you to provide information and education in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. But we continue to see more and more instances of residents not practicing proper physical distancing. And now we are seeing these additional issues with curbside collection. Chestermere, it is a community safety concern. To keep you safe, we will be relying on enforcement and issuing fines where necessary. We all have a responsibility to protect each other, our loved ones, and our community. Let's work together, Chestermere. Practice physical distancing. Wash your hands frequently and vigorously. Do not touch your face. We can do it, Chestermere. Before I sign off, I'd like to invite you to please continue to send us your positive stories, showing us the amazing things that you're doing to help stop the spread. Don't forget to use the hashtag #WeCanDoItChestermere. Also, remember to visit our website, chestermere.ca/COVID-19, for a full range of resources, including information for businesses, online tools for parents, caregivers, and seniors, and much more. Thank you, and good night.